Hey guys, check this out. I just ordered AhaStyle Nest Cam wall mount for my Nest indoor cams. I bought two Nest indoor cams about 2 years ago. I actually have one just on top of my microwave somewhere, and I have another one just sitting on top of a box. So if you go to the Nest website, you're gonna see that these cameras are not the cheapest thing out there. I actually bought them for $199. They're for $169, but still, they're actually pretty pricey. So I decided to do a little research and look for some a wall mount that I wanted to test to see if it's a good product or not. So I ordered it yesterday, June 5th, 2019. And it arrived today. I only purchased one because I just wanted to see if it was a good, well built, good quality, and if so, I'm gonna order a second one. So check this out. This is actually where I keep one of them, and I have wire running into it somewhere behind all the kitchen utensils there, which not a good thing. And this is my other Nest indoor cam, and it's actually sitting in a room that we don't really use right now because we always go out through the garage. We're still deciding on what to do in this room, but I have some furniture that I ordered that I haven't opened, but it's sitting right on top of that box, and I'm looking to install that wall mount right here. This camera is actually facing towards the door in case somebody comes in. I'm able to record the activity in this area right here. So we're gonna install that wall mount right here. Okay guys, so this is the box that it came in. AhaStyle, the outlet mount for your Nest Cam indoor. So let's just open it. It has a plate. Feels like it's metal. And it has a couple of screws in it. So it feels well built. And let's see. She has a little bag with a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a little USB cable. I'm assuming it's for the camera, and the wall plate, wall mount here, of course. Yep. Oh, it has some instructions here. Okay, so that's basically what you have on the packaging. Hey guys, so I just noticed that this plate, this little bag here has, when I open it, it has screws, but it also seems to be two different plates. So I guess one is for the back, the other one's for the front, I'm assuming. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that it comes, that there's actually two plates in there. Okay guys, so we're gonna disconnect the camera and we're gonna remove the faceplate here and replace it with one of this here. So guys, so the instruction calls for this cable here that they provide to run it through the mount here and out of this little slot here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now prior to installing the wall mount. So yeah guys, once you have the cable running through the mount here and on the slot here on the side, what's gonna happen is you want to pull this cable to the front, and you want to place the wall mount, the faceplate, I'm sorry, in front of the cable, just like that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna place it right in there. You want to make sure that the faceplate is aligned. This USB cable is gonna be in the front, and you are gonna use the screw that they provided right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the mount and the wall plate, and I'm gonna go ahead and screw it in. So now I have my camera here, and it has the power source here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect this here and use this same connector, and I'm going to connect it here to the wall plate. And now I have the power source here, and all I need to do is put my camera there. Okay guys, so now I have my camera, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and connect the camera in the back here. Let's see. Nope, the other way. Okay, so now my camera's connected. You see there's a power in the camera now, and there's a slot right here. There's actually a metal plate because there's a magnet in the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it in there, and now I can adjust my camera as needed. I'm pretty sure I could tuck this cable in here somehow to make it look prettier, and here is pretty much what I'm doing right now, and it looks like this is basically it. Now the camera is installed, wall mount installed, and we are good to go. Hey guys, so I managed to angle the camera the right way so it can face towards my son's room and the bathroom over there. I'm also able to capture any movement in the room, in the front door, and I'm also able to capture any movement right here in the window. Oops, apologize for that. So yeah, so it basically meets the needs that I had. I needed something that would mount the camera on the wall and also provide some flexibility for me to be able to aim the camera wherever it required. So I think the build quality is pretty good. This piece right here is actually plastic. It feels sturdy enough, but it's not the strongest material, but it does the job. This plate right here is actually feels like it's metal. Very good quality here. This is a plastic, but strong enough. It's not flexible, but it does the job. So overall, I would give it I would say this is a good product, and it does what I need to do. Thank you guys. Hopefully this helps anyone out there make a decision on a specific wall mount. I highly recommend this one. It was very easy to install as well. Take care, guys.